We're back, emergency, builders are time tomorrow. Other blokes to do the groundwork. So we've got to get this shed apart. Oh, we're going for it, here we go. So I'm going to get a saw out. I'm going to cut through.
Okay.
I reckon it'll be quicker. I wanted the receipt saw, but I ain't got it, so. Right, that's it, mission accomplished. Time warp, look at that, super speed, didn't take long. It was rotten. Clear. Ish, that just needs clearing out, then it fell on the pile. That one's dragging over there, fell on that pile. Job's good. So that, Michael, see you maybe out for football. Thank you for watching, keep staying tuned. Jeez. Right, job's a good one. I couldn't let him down, to be fair, because got the guys coming in tomorrow for the you know, it's easy when two of you do something. I know what I'm doing. Just got to go for it, a couple of saws and a couple of crowbars, and I couldn't let him down because he's got the blokes coming in tomorrow to do the base, and you can't leave them too much to do because I was expecting it to be clear. So and I had to get it done before it got too dark. I've been to work all flipping day. I think they ran out of time on the weekend apparently. But these things creep up upon you. So the builders are due tomorrow. You've got a tree stump there, they should have to pay me a little bit extra, cut it down and get rid of a few bits and pieces, I think. So that is it. So that's it, people. Thank you for watching. Done, job done. Home, bit of food, shower, and a shave, and have a bit of a rest, and let the builders do their stuff. Thank you for watching. Oh, I've got a park there. Oh, gold. Thank you for watching, people. Like, subscribe for more, many more videos coming soon. That's just the first of a little quick one, little quick time warp job that was, just to give it that rotten shed. God, getting too old for this. Cheerio. Bye bye.